Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Back on the 49 today. Yesterday we made this piece to connect the fender to the cab. It filled in. I needed to split it and extend it a little bit because it didn't quite fit, and instead of having two welds I just made a new piece so we have one nice weld. So I'm going to start getting this tacked in, and we may start moving around here and start getting some welds put in and start making this thing a solid piece again. So I think I have all the cuts and adjustments made that I need to make, and it's time to finish this fender up. So let's get to work. Thanks for joining us. Okay, so just had a delivery, and I got some new welding gloves. Instead of using these, which are nice, you know, you get these for, you know, $5 or $6 from Harbor Freight. They usually last me about a month or so before I have to replace them. Usually because of me grinding and welding and doing all that stuff. So I found these on Amazon. They're by Lincoln Electric. They were 20 bucks, you know, plus tax, maybe like 22 or 23 bucks. But they're welding gloves, and I have several sets of welding gloves. You know, I got the big ones, and then I got the smaller ones, and they're just too big and bulky, and I like to feel what I'm doing when I'm working, and I can't ever feel anything with those big bulky gloves, so I don't like wearing them. So I always wear just my Harbor Freight gloves, which, you know, a piece of welding slag falls on those and it just burns right through them. I mean, I got burn there and a burn there. I got burns all over the place from those because they're not welding gloves. So I went and actually looked to see if I could find a nice pair of gloves that, you know, are for welding, that are a little on the smaller side, so, you know, maybe I can feel what I'm doing. They still feel, they're a little still on the thick side, which, you know, can't expect nothing less because they're welding gloves. I'm sure they'll break in, but this should be much nicer. Okay, I'm gonna get a blowgun set up. It's not hot. I can feel that it's a little warm in a couple of spots. Like right here feels a little warm, but it's not like hot to the touch. It's just warm. You know, I'm moving around enough. It'd probably be fine, but just to be safe, I'll get a blowgun and, you know, I guess after every round or two, I can blow it off and make sure that we cool down that metal. Okay, got the blowgun so we can cool it off if we need to. Like I said, it wasn't hot at all. I was moving around enough, but it was a little warm, so figure if we need to, we can hit it with the blowgun, cool it down. I remember too here, I'm gonna hit this. I'm gonna start hitting this. There's that little crack in the panel there, from where it was split, where the door folded over. to go feed the doggies.